sendinblue.com. So just put in sendinblue.com on your browser. It's going to this page right here, and you can see right here, it's going to take you to this page. So what you want to do is scroll down to the end part of this page where you're going to find affiliates. Click on where it says, you're going to see here where it says agency, bloggers and publishers. So I'm just going to click on here, join the blogger program, and you're going to see the Sendinblue affiliate program, and you can see right here it says join the promotional program for bloggers and publishers. And €5 commission when someone creates an account on Sendinblue. So when someone just creates an account using your link, you're gonna get paid €5, and it says you receive that if that user buys a subscription, you receive an additional €100. And Sendinblue is actually an email marketing platform, email marketing tool. That's what they offer, and they're actually going to be people looking for email marketing softwares like businesses. But the good part of it is just when someone signs up and creates an account, you get €5. What you need to do is just fill out the details, put in your first name, your last name, put in your email, your password, and afterwards you can click on sign up now, and it's going to take some while. They're going to now go through your profile, everything that you've put in right here. They're not going to approve you, but this is actually awesome. You're gonna get paid €5 commission when someone creates an account, and this is actually the best type of affiliate program out. You're gonna get paid. It's actually called Grammarly.com, and you can see right here it says Grammarly right here on the home page of Grammarly. So what you need to do is just go down at the end part of the page, just look for where it says affiliate program. Just look for affiliate program. You can see right here it says affiliate. Click on affiliate right there. So it's going to take you to the affiliate page of Grammarly. So it's going to bring you to this page right here. So what you want to do is just read through what it actually says here on their website. It says earn big by promoting Grammarly, and you can see right here it says become an affiliate or sign in as an affiliate. So you want to make sure you scroll down here, and you can see right here it says sign up in under 60 seconds. Place a banner and write a post to receive an activation bonus and start earning big. So if I scroll down here just to check about more for this platform, you're gonna see right here it actually says for every free account that actually sign up via your link, you're gonna get paid. That's 0.20 cents. So what you need to do is just click on here which says become an affiliate, and it's actually gonna take, and you can see there are actually 4 steps right here. The first step is putting your account details right here, putting your user details, putting additional questions. You're gonna be able to put in additional questions right here, answer additional questions, and you're gonna be able to fill in their user agreements right here. So what you just need to do is just put in your company name or your name, basically put in your website, put in your address, and afterwards go down. That's after completing every step, and you want to make sure you select your country type, obviously. So look for your country type, then make sure you select your country, put in your zip code, then put in your phone number, then you click on next, and afterwards you're going to be able to complete the step right here, and you're going to know if you're going to get approved. They're going to send you a message telling you if they approve your application to become a partner, to become an affiliate for Grammarly or not. They're actually called SEMrush. So what you just need to do is just put in SEMrush on your browser, and it's going to bring you to this page, and you're going to see the logo at the top right here which actually says SEMrush, and you're going to see here it says get measurable results from online marketing. So SEMrush is actually a marketing tool. As you can see right here it says do SEO, content marketing, computer research, PPC, and social media marketing from just one platform. So since you're interested in making money online from this platform, what you need to do is just go down to the end part of this page, look for where it actually says affiliate program, and once you find affiliate program, make sure you click on it, and it's actually going to take you to the affiliate page of SEMrush, and and you can see right here it says SEMrush affiliate program, and it says get paid every step of the way, and here it says earn $200 for every new subscription sale, and you can see right here it says $10. That means you earn $10 for every new trial, and once anyone actually creates an account via your link or sign up via your link, you're gonna get paid 0.01 cents. You're gonna get paid 0.1 cents. So what you need to do is just go down here and click on the option here which says join. So it's actually going to ask you to actually verify if you are human, and as you can see right here, the SEMrush affiliate program is hosted on impact.com. So what you need to do is just put in freshbooks.com on your browser. It's going to bring you to this page, and once it actually brings you to this page, what you want to do is you want to make sure you scroll down to the end part of this page. Just scroll down to the end part of this page to where you get to see where it says affiliate program. So you can see right there it says affiliate program. So click on affiliate program, just click on affiliate program, and it's actually going to take you to another page where you get to see some detailed information. And as you can see right here, it actually says spread the word and get paid for it. And you can see it says turn your trusted recommendations into income when you join the FreshBooks affiliate program. So what you want to do is scroll down just to read more about this platform, and you can see right here this affiliate program is hosted on Share a Sell affiliate network. So what you need to do is just to read how it works. You can see right here these details of how this platform works, and you can see right here it says trial sign up. So anyone that completes a free trial via your link, you're gonna get paid $10. You can see right here it says you're gonna earn up to $10. See, it says how much you earn depends on where your lead comes from. So if your lead comes from top world countries like United States, UK, Canada, you're actually gonna earn more money. You're gonna earn more money